What if the world's biggest breakthroughs begin by questioning what everyone accepts?
Nikola Tesla didn't just invent machines, he challenged reality itself.
In his time, electricity already existed, but it was deeply flawed. Direct current could barely travel far. Power was lost. Cities stayed dark. Tesla didn't ask how to improve it. He asked a more dangerous question. What's the best way to move energy at all? He used first principles thinking, breaking electricity down to its core. Electromagnetism, fields, voltage, current.
And a radical insight: electricity doesn't need to flow in one direction. It could alternate.
Alternating current could change voltage easily. High voltage for distance, low voltage for safety. From these principles, Tesla rebuilt the entire system.
His polyphase system powered motors, generators, and factories.
It outperformed Edison's direct current
And changed the course of history.
Electricity traveled farther, faster, cheaper. Industries expanded. Cities grew. The modern world switched on. Tesla didn't tweak a broken system. He rebuilt it from fundamental truths. That's the power of first principles thinking. When you question assumptions, you unlock new futures. Tesla once said, "The present is theirs, the future is mine." And next, we'll meet another mind who rebuilt reality by questioning time itself.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Share it with someone who might enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.